feel it, baby. Just let it be K-Shug. Cause I can feel it, baby.
Okay. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I will be doing an at-home silk press for you guys, just showing you everything I use and things like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I did just finish doing a protein treatment on my hair because I haven't did one since I've bleached my hair back in September. So with this protein treatment, I use the Apple G 3-step. So this is the shampoo for hold on, let me see. Okay, so excuse me, it's the shampoo for damaged hair. You rinse with this, and then you go in and you add in the 2-step protein treatment. Can you see? Let me see. Yeah, you add a 2-step protein treatment, and you let this sit. You're supposed to sit under the dryer. Nothing on your head, no plastic cap in there. You just sit on the dryer, or you can blow dry your hair and let it dry until it gets hard. Once it gets hard, you rinse it out, and then you go in with the balancing moisture. The balancing moisturizer, and you rinse this out as well. You leave this in for 2 minutes, then you rinse this out. So that's the end of that. But I did go back in and I did condition my hair with Design Essentials. Hold on. Let me see if it is. The Design Essentials blow dry and silk press collection. I just did it with the conditioner because I already shampooed my hair. But now I'm going to go in with their spray that's a part of the Design Essentials blow dry and silk press spray. Well, yeah, silk press collection. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spray my hair with that. But y'all know I got to get my TikTok, so give me a second. I'm not going to really talk too much. I'm going to just show y'all. So yeah, finish watching. I'm about to show y'all what it is that I use since I showed TikTok, just so that way y'all can see. So like I told y'all, I went in with the spray that was a part of the collection. Then I went in with Silk Elements Mega Silk Olive Oil Heat Protective Spray with silk. And then I went in with Olive Oil Thermalast 2-in-1 Heat Defense and Shine. Can you see it? I went with that. And then lastly, I added in this Frizz Buster Serum. Oh, let's see. Okay. And that's all I did. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and blow dry my hair. So now after my hair is blow dried, I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my flat irons. I use the smaller ones for like my baby hairs in the beginning of in my roots, just to make sure I can get it, and then I go over the rest of it with the bigger one. And I got these both from the beauty store. It's no fancy. I mean, the bigger ones say they Babyliss Pro Titanium, but other than that, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. Just some regular flat irons, okay? From your local, they're both from your local beauty supply store, so you should be able to find, depending on what area you're in, you should be able to find both of them. Yeah, you should be able to find both of them. So, yeah, and you want to do small parts because I have really thick hair. And I'm going to put mine on 390. I really want to put it less than that. I might put it less than that, but we gonna see. I don't like to put too much heat on my hair. So I'm just gonna part my hair. I do pretty small sections. I don't like to do too big, like I said, because the smaller the sections, the better. Especially if you want to get it real silked out. So I'm just gonna use my clip my hair up, and then I'm gonna show you guys a piece. So I'm gonna show y'all just what I be doing. And then you see one pass. You should only need to do one pass. Now I do go with the roots a couple times with the other one, so that's the first part. I like to go down just a little bit. And then I grab my comb. And I just do this because I have to bring it down just a little bit. But you should only need one pass. Yeah, one pass. So my hair is getting back longer, so that's good, because I feel like it was really short after I had got it cut last time. Yeah, it's getting back longer, but we'll go ahead. I'm gonna just keep going. This will take a little minute. Y'all, don't mind my skin, like, it's purging, right? Like, what's it called? I call it purging, but it's just it's pushing out all the stuff, all the toxic stuff I done had in my skin or in my body out right now, because I just started back like getting on my skincare for real and using my products. So I gotta go through this ugly stage of where like my skin is pushing out everything that's been in my skin that's not supposed to be in my skin. If that makes sense. Okay. And I will be getting my ends trimmed on Thursday at school, I think, or I'm gonna have my teacher try to do it, or I'm gonna have one of my classmates do it. I really want my teacher to do it. Well, you know what? No, I don't mind who does it as long as my ends are trimmed, because I'm about to put my hair up. And then, so, oops, my bad. Let me not kick it again. Okay, so this, damn. Okay, this is how it looks. And this is the flowiness. I can't really see, but like butter. And if I wanted to, I could go under with a hot comb and get these hairs. But I think I'm gonna just, yeah, just do it like that. Just go underneath. This is usually what I do for my clients. I don't never use a hot comb because I got these little flat irons. I feel like if I didn't have these little flat irons, I probably would use a hot comb. Ooh, because this really gets your roots. Like, this gonna get all the little hairs. Yeah, this gonna get literally all the little hairs you have around your perimeter. This is the best thing to get it with, so we'll get it straight. But y'all see how that one is, and I am going to wrap it and sit under the dryer afterwards. So I'm gonna just let y'all see a couple more, probably this next row, and then I'm gonna show y'all when I wrap it to sit underneath the dryer. Okay, y'all, I'm finished flat ironing it, and this is it. Now I'm about to take my hair and wrap it and sit underneath my dryer for about probably 10 minutes, and then yeah, it should be still that. I'll probably show you guys in the morning how it looks. I want to do pin curls, but I don't know. I might just go in the morning and just add a little bit more heat, do some cute little curls, but we shall see. I'm about to actually, should I go through? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just like pin this up and just go in and add some little curls. And this is how you wrap it with no pins. Ooh, just like that. And it's flat. And you want to make sure that the middle is flat, because if not, it will have like crinkles, and that's not what you want. I do feel like curling it helps it easier to wrap around your head. I don't know why. That's just how I feel. But yeah, I'm gonna go put on my shower cap and then sit under there. Oh yeah. Okay. So y'all, my hair is growing back. And I love it. I'm gonna get a trim today. But yeah. It's growing back. So which is a good thing. Cause I was worried that it wouldn't. But yeah, this is your afro and silk press. Okay.
Can you feel it, baby? It's that MBK shit.